Hey everyone, if your AC laptop isn't entering the BIOS, try these following steps. Access BIOS via function keys. Standard method. Shut down completely. Ensure the laptop is fully powered off, not in a sleep or hibernate mode. Power on and press F2. Turn on the laptop and immediately start pressing the F2 key repeatedly until the BIOS screen appears. Alternative keys. If F2 doesn't work, try pressing the delete key during startup as some ACE models use this key to access BIOS. Disable fast startup. From Windows, access power options. Go to control panel, then go to hardware and sound, then tap on power options. Change setting. Click on choose what the power button do. Modify shutdown settings. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck turn on fast startup. Save changes. Click save changes and restart your laptop. Here is the note. Disabling fast startup can make it easier to access the BIOS during boot. Use Windows Advanced Startup. Access through settings. Open settings, press Windows plus I and select Update and Security. Navigate to Recovery. Click on Recovery in the left pane. Restart for Advanced Startup. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Access UEFI firmware settings. After the restart, select Troubleshoot, go to Advanced Options, then go to UEFI firmware settings, then tap on Restart. This should take you to the BIOS setup. Reset Cosmos battery. Here is the caution. This involves opening your laptop and should only be done if you are comfortable with hardware components. Power off and unplug. Ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power sources. Remove the battery if your model allows. Remove the main battery. Access the CMOS battery. Open the back panel to locate the CMOS battery, a small round battery on the motherboard. Remove and reinsert. Carefully remove the CMOS battery. Wait for a few minutes, then reinsert it. Reassemble and power on. Put the back panel and battery back, then power on the laptop and try accessing the BIOS again. Check for BIOS password. Prompt for password. If you are prompted for a password when trying to enter the BIOS and you haven't set one, it's possible a default password is set. Refer to your laptop's manual or Acer's official support for guidance. Use an external keyboard. Try different keyboards. Sometimes the built-in keyboard might not register during boot. Connect an external USB keyboard and attempt to access the BIOS using the F2 or delete keys. Contact ACE support. Professional assistance. If none of the above methods work, there might be a hardware issue. It's advisable to contact ACE's customer support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.